Many of the classes that we offer here at Brainstorm are formatted specifically for concept design and for people who are looking for a job in the art and design field. These are all classes and courses that we feel that are very impactful and important for the industry. These are actually skills that I use to this day in and day out. As a creative director at a studio, these are skills that I look for in a portfolio to hire somebody. The teacher's input is going to be very spontaneous at times. It takes the student to show where they are lacking, where their strengths are, for the instructor to be able to customize their learning plan for that student. Each student gets quality time with the instructor, and we want to make sure that that's evident with every single class. You also get a much higher result in what you learn versus online. Here at Brainstorm, we really try to push the on-site and physical learning aspect the most.